Good morning, 1B. It's Miss Jess. It's so nice to see you. I hope you're all doing well. Today is Tuesday, April 14th, 2020. My message says, good morning, 1B. Today, we will review adding double digits from Miss Jess. Now, friends, double digits means that we're going to be adding two numbers, all right? And I put a little exclamation mark right here. Any reason, any guesses why I might do that, friends? Oh, that's right, because I'm very excited about math. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, before we do double digit addition, what I want to do is a quick little warm up with some single digit addition. So I'm going to pick some cards from my little deck right here, and let's go ahead and do some adding. So the first card that I picked, I want you to go ahead and do this in your brain, is 5 plus 1. You can go ahead and choose to add on your fingers. You can add in your brain. All right, take a second. And what was your answer? If your answer was 6, you got it correct. Our next number, let's go ahead and add 10 plus 7. Let's take about 3 seconds. All right, and if you guessed 17, you are correct. All right, let's do a harder one, shall we? All right, let's do 5 plus 4. What's 5 plus 4? All right, if you guessed 9, you are correct. All right, let's do one more. Let's give you a real hard one, shall we? All right, we're going to do 5 plus 9. What's 5 plus 9? Take 3 seconds, add them in your brain, and if you guessed 14, you are correct. Go ahead and kiss your brain if you got it right. Kiss your brain if you got it wrong, because you tried, and I'm proud of you. All right, let's go ahead and jump into some double-digit addition. All right. Let's set up our little board. So, friends at home, you are going to need a pencil or pen and a piece of scratch paper. So you are welcome to pause the video, or you can run and go grab that while I set up. All right, I have my eraser, my pen, my deck of cards. I am ready. Okay, so when we're adding double digits, that means we're adding two numbers, okay? So I'm gonna grab from my stack of cards, and I'm going to grab a few ones that are a little bit easier at first, and then we're going to work up to some hard ones. So the first number I picked is 14 plus 5. So let's go ahead and write that down. 14 plus 5. All right, now if you know this in your brain, that is awesome. If not, I want you to go ahead with me. So whenever we're adding double digits, we are simply going to go down. Okay, so let's add 4 plus 5. Let's take our fingers out. So we have 4. We're adding 5. How many do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm going to move the 9 right there. And this area right here, I can pretend that there's nothing there. I can write that if that's going to help me. So I'm adding 1 plus 0. What's 1 plus 0? Oh, that's 1. So I'm going to move that 1 down. So I have 1 and I have a 9. What number is that? 19. Very nice. All right. Okay, let's do one more that's a little bit easier, and then we're going to get harder, I promise. All right, so our next numbers that we're going to add are 13 plus 2. Let's see what we're going to get. So go ahead and write this at home on your own paper. 13 plus 2. All right. So we are going to take the 3 and add it to the 2, and then we're going down. So let's go ahead and add 3 plus 2. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to write that 5 right here. Now, if it helps, I can write a little 0 here to help me out. So I'm adding 1 plus 0, and then I'm going down. We know that 1 plus 0 is 1. So I have a 1 and a 5, and that makes what? 15. Very nice. All right. Let's go ahead and make it a little bit harder. All right. So our next set of numbers is 10 plus 10. So if you're at home, please go ahead and write these numbers on your paper. All right, so let's start with the first set of numbers. We're adding 0 plus 0. So if I have 0 and I add 0, what have I got? That's right, still 0. So let's go ahead and move that down. All right, now our next set of numbers, we're going to be adding 1 plus 1. If I have 1 and I add 1, how many have I got? That's right, 2. 1, 2. And let's go ahead and move it down. So I have 2 and I have a 0. What number is that, my friends? That's right, we've got 20. Very nice. You guys are doing so great. Okay, let's do a harder one. All right, we are going to add 18 plus 11. So please write that at home on your own paper. Okay, so friends at home, I want you guys to try this by yourselves first. Go ahead and add 18 plus 11, and let's see what you get. You are welcome to pause this video if you need some time. It is all good. All right, let's go ahead and do it together. So we are adding 8 plus 1, and we're going to move on down. You are welcome to use your fingers if that helps you. So we've got 8, and then we're adding 1 more. So how many have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we're moving that 9 down. Very cool. Now, what am I going to do with these two numbers? I have 1, and then I have another 1. Whoa. Oh, that's right. I'm going to add those together, and then what am I going to do? Oh, yeah, I'm going to move down. Let's go out and draw a little arrow. So I'm adding 1 plus 1, which we know is 2. So I have a 2 and I have a 9. What number is that? 29. Very cool. Let's go ahead and do a few more. You guys are doing so great at home. And if this is a little hard, you know what you can do? You can re-watch this video. All right, our next number, we're going to add 17 plus 12. So let's go ahead and write those numbers down. Now, if you're like Miss Jess, I like to add a little line right there, but you don't have to. Okie dokie. So I want you to try this by yourself first. Okay, so you are welcome to pause the video. Remember, some other options that you have are you can use a number line if you have one at home. You are welcome to write out the dashes. Remember how we done before? So let's go ahead and add 7 plus 2, and then we're going down. So what is 7 plus 2, my friends? That is right. It is 9. And then what am I going to do with these? I have a 1, and then I have a 1. Oh, that's right. I'm going to follow the arrow, and I am going down. So I have a 2, and I have a 9, which makes, dun, 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 29. Very cool. All right, friends, let's do one more, and I'm going to give you a really hard one because I know that you can handle it. All right. Let's do this one. 18 plus 10. All right, so go ahead and write this on your paper at home. We're adding 18 plus 10. Okay, so I'm adding 8 plus the 1. Is that what I'm doing? No, I'm adding the 8 plus the 0, and then I am going down. So if I have 8 and I add 0, I add nothing. That's right, I still got 8. Whoa, very cool. And then I'm going to add 1 plus 1, which we know is, uh-oh, that was not a very good 2. Let's try that again. I have a 2 and an 8, which makes 28. Very, very cool. Now, friends, because you guys are doing so awesome, I know I said that was our last one, but I'm going to give you one more as a bonus because you guys are doing so great. And I'm going to make up the number myself. Are you ready? Okay. I am going to write down, ooh, my pen just flew out of my hand. I'm going to write 22 plus 22. Oh my goodness. We haven't had a number this big yet. All right, let's see what we can do. First of all, let's take a deep breath. And we got this. All right, so we're going to start by adding 2 plus 2, and then we are going down. So 2 plus 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so these ones are done. Now I need to add this 2 to this 2. We've already done that before, and we know that 2 plus 2 is 4. So let's write that down. So I have a 4 and a 4. What number is that, my friends? That's right, 44. Awesome work, my friends. Now, if you got that answer right, go ahead and kiss your brain. If you did not get it right, I want you to kiss your brain anyway, because you are trying, okay? And the more we do math, the easier it gets, okay? If you had a hard time with this video, I want you to go ahead and watch it again and keep practicing, because you know what? Practicing helps us get better and better and better. And then when we go on to second grade, we're going to be so good at math, okay? All right, my friends, it was so great talking about math today. I just love math. I hope you guys love math too. I hope that you are doing well and staying safe. I miss you all very much, and I can't wait to see you guys again. All right, I hope you guys have a great Tuesday. I will see you guys soon. All right, bye, Wendy.